Don't you find it exciting seeing this big surge of 50, 60, 70 plus creators appearing on YouTube? I am absolutely loving it. And their channels and their videos are so compelling, so engaging, humorous, all sorts of stuff to watch. They've got so much knowledge and experience to share and just have a completely different approach from the stuff we're normally used to, which is great too. But I love it. I think there's going to be a whole wave of us appearing on there. I've launched myself on there, couldn't resist. I'm 63 and I want to grow my channel. And to be honest, I'd love to earn some extra income to boost retirement, which isn't that far away. I think we often dismiss just how much we have of value to share to our own demographic, our own age group, and also the younger generations. Think of all the things you've learnt over the years from family, relationships, your career. I mean, I'm 63, like I said, I've got 3 children and 7 grandchildren. Think about what's packed into all that. We have so much in common as well, don't we? However tech savvy we are now, and we all are to different degrees, I know, none of us grew up with it, did we? I think I was 30 or something when I got my first computer, or my husband got the computer. And then we got our phone, mobile phone. It was the size of a brick. It was so huge. It was bigger than my handbag. I mean, all the things that I have learnt to do online. I mean, I've done lots of courses and I've self-taught for, many, many years now, like 15 years. I wanted to keep up with everything so I could do things like this. I think my kids knew by the time they were 8. But yeah, what I'm saying is, however tech savvy we are now, we didn't grow up with it. It's not second nature. And sometimes we need things explaining in a different way. I know, for example, that I need bigger fonts now. I find really busy, lots of moving stuff a little bit like too much for me now. I like things simple and plain. My eyes just don't seem to want to take it like they used to. It's the perfect time for us to start. Please come and join me. We'd have so much fun on there. Can you imagine we start our own community? It'd like the big wave of like the over 50, 60, 70 club. It'd be fantastic. Think of all the friends we make, which is wonderful at this stage of life. And I guess like me, do you feel this time pressure? Do you feel it too? It's not that it worries me, but I feel time running out, the sense of time running out. There's more behind us than in front of us. And so we just have to get on with things. And this would be such a fun undertaking. I know I have lots of younger friends and they will say, I'll do that in 3 years, I'll do that in 4 years. I don't have that luxury. If I'm going to do it, it's got to be now. Also, wouldn't it be great to just boost the retirement funds a bit? And YouTube is a really great way. Obviously, it takes a lot of work and consistency, but if approached in a strategic way, you actually can make money from your channel, which is what I'm hoping to do with mine. I want to grow my channel and get to the point where I monetize my channel to earn myself some extra pennies for retirement. It'd be fantastic. Thing is, whatever you're interested in, whether you want to talk about aspects of your career to share, whether you want to share your hobby, whatever it is you want to share that you think you'd really enjoy talking about and could make lots of content about, YouTube is open for it. Now, we didn't grow up in the selfie world or, videoing ourselves, did we? So it can be daunting, intimidating, and frankly, quite terrifying when you first decide to video yourself. But I promise you, if you do 10 videos, you don't need to post them. Do 10 short videos, say 5 minutes each. Keep practicing. You'll start to feel calmer and you'll start to feel more confident and more capable and less worried presenting to camera. I think that's what I'd say it took me. I think it was about 10 videos and I didn't post them. I just sat in front of my phone. I used my phone. I put it on a little tripod and I just sat there in front of it talking and long gaps, hesitating, and then I watched it back and I found, honestly, the 10th video, I could see such an improvement, not particularly in my presenting style, that comes with time, but in my confidence, and I just looked more at ease on the screen. And did I ever doubt myself and ask myself if I was too old to start a YouTube channel? Of course I did. I just thought if I don't give it a go, I'll never know. And if I don't enjoy it, I haven't lost anything, just a few videos, but I love it. And I really, really want to encourage you to come along and join me on this journey. Let's do this together. Let's create this growing band of people in our demographic that are creating on YouTube and sharing all that wealth of knowledge and experience that we've gained over all those years. Who's up for joining me? And if you want to follow along with me, I'm going to be testing lots of different things, lots of different software, apps, tools, and I'm going to share all my results and let you know what I found to be the best and what didn't work for me as well. And I think another great thing, which seems to have surged in popularity over the last few months, is this kind of trend for more authentic, less highly edited videos, which really works in our favour when we're learning. I think with the rise of AI, everything's seeming a little bit fake. Do you find that sometimes? And less genuine, less real. So people are gravitating towards more real, authentic content. It's so exciting. Let me know in the comments, just say hi. Let me know if you're considering starting a YouTube channel. Go on.